Hello guys, welcome to Jimmy's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make turmeric soup. Here's the pepper mixture, tomato, onions, garlic, and here we have turmeric. The first thing is to peel the skin off the turmeric. Please use gloves because it can stain your fingers. Alright, turmeric soup is a healthy soup that has many benefits, and you can try it and see if you like it. This is what it looks like after it's been peeled and washed. Next we have the pepper, ginger, all the mixtures, including the turmeric, in a blender, and blend till it's smooth. There's the meat we're using. In the meat I have bay leaf, thyme, seasoning, Maggi, anything you want in the meat. You boil till it's done. This is what it looks like after it's been cooked and ready. Okay. And after that, you're going to add the pepper mixture into it. And then we add locust beans. We call it ogiri in Ondo. And then you cover and let it cook and boil for like 2 to 3 minutes. After it's been boiling for 2 to 3 minutes, then you can add some palm oil. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of palm oil in here. And after that, I add nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Mix well. Cover and let it cook. After it's been cooked for like 2 minutes, stir again to make sure it's okay. And you can taste to make sure it has enough salt. Remember, we added some salt initially when we were boiling the meat, so if it's not enough salt, you can add another amount. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt to make it tasty. Mix well again, and then you can cover and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes just to get all the salt in there in the soup. After it's boiled and the oil is on top, you know it's ready. Very easy, quick, easy, healthy, delicious soup, which can be eaten with anything you want. Rice, some fufu. You can eat with bread, eaten with anything you want. Lots and lots of health benefits. This is a Ondo Medicinal soup, turmeric soup. Thank you for watching.